In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then hit Autofill. Autofill with Google and passwords. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Following that, select Edit next to Delete and then input all of those informations. After changing wherever you want to, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!